that. You gotta push it on pilot. Pilot is right here, the first one right here. And turn it on pilot, you gotta hold it for a minute. And it still stay lit. Now, once that stay lit, like that, all you have to do is turn it to which one you want, 3 or 2.
And you cut it off.
If you want to turn it off, you just got to bring it all the way back to off. Right here, this one right here. You just got to push it down and bring it to off. And if it go off on you, now you could always set it because it could go off and on. That's why if you set it on 1, the lower you set it on, it'll go off and on, but your pilot will stay lit. That one there stay lit. As long as that stay lit, you're all right. But it'll go off and on. But if you want to turn it all the way off, all you got to do is take this here. See how I brought it down to 2? Because you got 2 fires right here. And you could bring it down to 1. If you bring it down to 1, that means one of the things will go off. Huh? You just have 1?
Yeah, it just got 1.
Just 1?
Yeah, the space heater.
Yeah, if you just have 1. I don't know if it's gonna actually one with this a 2-bedroom. I'm surprised they just had 1. They should have had another one, of course. But if they just had 1, yep. But that's where you at. You got it. All you gotta do just figure out how to operate a little bit.
Can you show me again?
Okay.
But
It's all right. You all right there? It ain't nothing to it.
I'll turn it off. Can you show me?
Okay.
Okay, so that's what.
That's your pilot thing right there. That's
right.
Okay. I put it on pilot already, so it's already on pilot. You don't want the heat on. Now if you want to shut everything off, now you shut everything off, right?
Oh,
okay. Now everything shut off again. Now when you get ready to light it, you just can't turn it.
Okay.
You have to push it down.
In.
That's right. Push it in. Push it to pilot. Then hit this here. Now you pilot it. Hold it for a couple of minutes.
Pilot, then hit that.
Yeah.
That's, okay.
Right.